haven't done a video in a while, but I think we're gonna start back at it again. We just arrived in Sedona this morning. We left San Diego around 10:30 yesterday morning, and we arrived last night, had some sushi, and we asked the sushi bar if we could just crash in their parking lot, and they said it was cool. So here we are now at Whole Foods. Tammy just run into Whole Foods to get some supplies. Chapel, I think it's called Chapel of the Holy Cross. And it says no RV parking, but we just came up because we're not an RV, we're a pickup truck.
Exactly.
So check it out. No RV parking. We're gonna go take the e-bike, go explore around the little touristy area. It's Sunday, so it's gonna be packed. To check out this RV park. There's a mini Airstream. Look at that. It's a cooler. Brilliant.
That's awesome.
Stopped into a little restaurant called 89 Agave. 89 Agave. Very nice.
So we've checked out Sedona. We went to a cute little restaurant and a fabulous church. And now we are heading to Lake Powell.
Just look at this view. It's amazing. Look at that. Like Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunners. Beep beep. And it is freaking awesome. Look at this. So since the truck is kind of, well not kind of, the truck is very unlevel, so instead of putting blocks on one side, I just dig a hole on this side here, and I'm going to back the truck up into the hole. I'm going to dig another hole. level truck. Since the left side of the truck is lower than the right side, we no longer have that lean, and no need to put blocks under this side. How cool is that?
Feels like we're at Burning Man. Warren is out there. Oh my god.
This place is actually amazing. It really is. We parked on super duper soft sand, and it's like being on the ocean beach, but it's a lake. Every time it's like 90 degrees. Every time we want to go for a swim, we just jump on the boat, go out a couple 100 yards and jump in the water. Nice and clean. Tammy's down there. So for fresh water, I've just been going out in the boat and 50 yards, getting some water in a bucket and siphoning it into the truck. I wouldn't drink it, but it's okay to wash with since we've been swimming in it all day. It's nice to know that the town of Page is only about 12 miles away if you need supplies, but we were heading to Page the other day and we went out of the main entrance. About a mile away is a nice big truck stop that has pretty much everything you need. Fresh water, there's a dump station, and there's even a dump station at the entrance to this little beach. So they pretty much you can get everything real close without leaving the beach. It really is awesome because every time we sitting in the camper, we might be doing a little bit of work, want to go for a swim. I tell Tammy I want to go for a jump in the pool, and instead of just walking in from the shore, we just jump in the boat and come out like 300 yards and jump in the water.
And we have our own very big pool here.
The water's very clear and clean. The cool thing about this boat is you can just enter, you can just climb back on the boat
And not worry about where the water is going.
and you just have a chill, and water can run through, and it has a little hole at the back. Water just runs out. It cannot. So we're going on a little trip right now to this very cool sandy beach, and we have a bucket full of things: lunch, speaker, phone, money. So So we just landed on this awesome beach where the water is crystal clear. Look at this. And we've set up camp right here. And we're gonna have lunch. Time for sandwiches.
Having a margarita on the rock.
So this, I'm guessing it's about 300 feet. This cliff face over here, it's made of sandstone. I went up there and grabbed one of the stones. It pretty much just crumbles in your hand. Look at that. Freaking mountains made of sandstone. Hope there's not a landslide. We'll be on the news. We caught in a bit of a windstorm. Look at this shit. It's really windy. We got about 4 miles to go. Fuck, this is crazy. We just got to another marina right now, and there's like hundreds of these massive houseboats. Tons and tons, and like people live on them. Some big, some small. Woo, look at that. So I should have been posting the other food, the meals we had, but this is another incredible meal made by this incredible woman. I'm the healthiest person on this beach. The weather here has been amazing. The days are what, 90, 95 out on the water. We haven't turned on the AC one time, and the nights get down to about 65. And it's nice having not to use the AC.
And when the wind doesn't come up, it is absolutely perfect.
They're sweeping the whole camper. Look at all the sand. And they make some campers with carpet. Ridiculous. What are you meant to do when you parked on a beach? Sunsets here are magical. The colors are incredible. Look at those colors, like transitions from purple to blue. And there's Lone Rock. That's why Lone Rock Beach got its name.
Hi.
And every evening we drag the boat up, and some of the neighbors help us drag it. We have these little wheels underneath, and you can see our tracks this morning, this evening. Finally had to leave the beautiful beach. Now we're filling up gas in Utah. And gas is $2.39. In California, some places it's high $3s, low $4 a gallon. Ridiculous. We got fucked by the man.